Hello! In this video I will show you how to do a hard reset through settings on DOOGEE S100. So you have to start by opening your settings application and now scroll down and click on system and now click on reset options and here click on reset all data factory reset and then click erase all data. Now you have to enter your screen lock pattern and then click erase all data again. And your device is now being converted back into its factory settings. And now your phone is back into its factory settings, and as you can see you have to do your phone setup again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.